So if you ride a motorcycle, at some point you're going to have to change your visor. So here we have an Arai with a HANDCRAFTED system, and I'm going to show you how to simply change the visor. First, lift the visor latch and then lift the visor fully. Press backwards the pod release and pop off the side pod. Close the visor until the brass pin aligns with the red hole. Now release the shield from the mechanism. To install, put the brass pin into the red hole and then press the visor into the mechanism. Then open fully to lock the brass pin into the track. From the top, slot the side pod back on and then click it into place. Then close the visor. After, open and close the visor to ensure correct install. And here's how to do it, both sides at the same time. First, open the visor. Remove the side pods. Close the shield until the brass pin and the red hole align. Remove the visor from the mechanism. To reinstall, align the brass pin with the red hole and then press the visor into the mechanism. Lift the visor to lock into place. Slot the side pods back on. Visor down. And then open and close to ensure correct install. So there you have it, a simple visor change. So get used to your gear, and then when you're on the road you can do it safely and quickly. So stay safe out there and don't forget to gear up.